What if I told you that you could start building wealth while still in college, without money, a fancy degree, or a job offer? Sounds wild, right? But in 2025, the rules have changed. The internet has leveled the playing field, and students who were once broke are now turning simple ideas into real income streams. Now, here's the harsh truth. If you're waiting to graduate before you start chasing money, you're already behind. The real world doesn't reward potential, it rewards action. Today, I'll show you 7 business ideas any student can start, even with $0. These aren't your typical sell to your friends side hustles. These are real businesses working right now, helping students earn thousands while their classmates stress over finals. So ask yourself, are you just killing time? Or deep down, do you know you're built for more? Let's get into it. Business idea number 1. Freelance copywriting with AI. If you can write a clear sentence and use tools like ChatGPT, you can start freelance copywriting. Businesses need help with ads, emails, and social media. And yes, they'll pay you. Learn the basics of persuasive writing. Use AI to boost your output. Then pitch small businesses through Fiverr, LinkedIn, or Facebook groups. No degree, no website, just results. Pattern interrupt. Remember those school essays you hated? They might have prepped you for your first $1,000 client. Business idea number 2, social media management. Every business wants to be on social media, but most owners, clueless or too busy. If you understand TikTok trends or can use Canva, you're already ahead. Offer packages like 3 posts per week with captions. Charge $200 to $300 per client. Land 2, then 4. Still think your screen time is wasted? Not if it's bringing in income. Business idea number 3, print on demand. You create the design. A company prints and ships. You keep the profit. Sites like Printful or Teespring let you sell custom hoodies, mugs, journals, no inventory needed. Pick a niche: student humor, mental health, gaming culture. Design something clever, bold, or just plain weird. Not a designer? No worries. AI and Canva have your back. Business idea number 4, Notion template. Store. Notion is huge with students and creators. And yes, people pay for templates. If you're good at organizing your studies, planning projects, or budgeting, turn it into a digital product. Sell it on Gumroad or Etsy for $5 to $25. With 100 downloads, you're making passive income. Cliffhanger. Students are making money in their sleep, just by organizing their lives. Why not you? Business idea number 5, YouTube automation channel. No face, no voice, no problem. Faceless YouTube is exploding. Think: motivation, study hacks, life advice. You write a script or use AI, generate voiceovers, add stock clips, and publish. It takes time, but one viral video can change everything. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Bonus, you gain skills in editing, scripting, SEO, all of which are marketable. Quick question: are you just consuming content or creating it? Business idea number 6, campus product reselling. Old school but smart. Buy snacks, phone accessories, or low-cost gadgets in bulk. Resell them on campus at a markup. Use TikTok or Instagram to create hype. Offer pre-orders. Create urgency. No store needed, just hustle and a backpack. This is how many Amazon sellers started. Some now make 6 figures. Business idea number 7, digital tutoring and study guides. Good at a subject? Don't just help your friends, get paid. You can tutor online via Zoom, sell digital study guides, or pre-record lessons. Focus on high-demand topics: math, coding, SAT prep, science. In 2025, parents are paying for digital help. Students want shortcuts. You can be that solution. And here's the point: the earlier you learn to monetize what you know, the faster you escape the average path. Still think you need to wait until graduation? The truth is, Waiting is the most expensive decision you'll ever make. These 7 ideas aren't just about money. They're about confidence, freedom, and momentum. So be honest. Which idea sparked something in you? Which one are you ready to try today? Because someday is a lie, but today is yours. If this video lit a fire inside you, smash that like button so someone else can find it. Subscribe for more real-world business ideas for people like you. Ambitious, smart, and done waiting. Your future self is watching. The only question is, will they be proud? Let's build it.